So these are the fence post spikes that will be driving into the ground with a hammer, and I'll be using these to anchor the fence posts into the ground basically. So for the edge of my raised bed, I'll be using an old slab which I found under the ground. I then lifted the slab into place and just made sure it's leveled with a spirit leveler. Soon after this, I hammered down one of the spikes into the ground. As you're hammering, it does help to have someone to kind of direct the spike into the ground, so that's always useful to have two people. So far I've done a string line, and it starts from there, technically there, and then along the string I put pegs which are representing the length of every fence if I were to put a fence in the future. Another one. Another one. Right till here. Just gotta check the level. It's leveled. So I'm going to use that crate, or most of the crates I got, to break it down in smaller pieces of wood like this, then use it to finish off the raised bed walls, saving the monies. Okay, so this is how far I've got so far. Those clamps don't need to be there. I basically screwed it all together. That's the basic frame, which I will be strengthening up. Unfortunately, a bit of an incident happened. How does And so yeah, cracked the slab, and so that is at the moment where I got to, and that's where she's at. So as you can see in this video clip, we've finished more of the timber, and we strengthened up the frame a lot more for one of the sections. This is just to hold things together and keep it overall strength, and we're probably going to put some cladding later on. Doing a botch up job. See, we attach a membrane to the wood. That's just to stop the wood from rotting, and secondly, it's to also contain the soil in one area.